Welcome back. Now that we've covered the spin tool, I wanted to do a separate video and take a look at a specific function within the spin tool called Dupli, which basically stands for spin duplication. What this will allow us to do is to duplicate selected subobjects around a pivot point. Alright, to demonstrate this, let's go into Top View 7 and Orthographic 5. I'll scale my cube along the x-axis like so. I'll move to my right view 3 and then tab into edit mode. I'll deselect everything, A, and make sure my limit selection is deactivated. Now I'll use box select to select some of my verts and rough out a sharp fan blade kind of shape. I'm guessing you can figure out where we're going. I'll go back to my top view, 7, and I'll slide my fan blade up along the y-axis. Now remember, our spin operation always works perpendicular to our view. So if we're in top view, we will be spinning on our z-axis. With my cursor still at center, I'll activate my spin operation. I'll change my steps to 18, and this time I'll activate my Dupli button right below that. Note how the additional blades lighten in color, denoting them as separated subobjects within the object now. I'll set my degrees to 360. And now, since we have our limit selection deactivated, I'll go ahead and box select all of my verts, and I'll hit Control V so that I can select Remove Doubles. There we go. Now we have a nice set of blades for a jet engine or something of the like. Now it should be noted that this process will work with any subobject. Dupli basically allows for a duplication function while we're in edit mode. It's often also easier to make and adjust duplicates along a rotation than the simple duplication in object mode. Whichever one works best for you will be up to your individual projects. Alright, great. This wasn't a long video, but it was a function that I think you'll probably end up using a lot down the road, especially with hard surface modeling. So I wanted to give it its own video. We've got one more video to go, and then we'll be done with Chapter 3 and on to our first lab project. I'll see you there.